Sixth chapter, trigonometry ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 22. Last part completed exercise 6C problems. Impounded 4 marks or 7 marks problem also be completed. Today discuss formulas of the trigonometry ratios for multiple angles. Multiple angles trigonometry ratio formula is there. First formula is sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a formula in terms of tan is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is in terms of tan. This one is the general formula of sin 2a. Next, cos 2a. Cos 2a having total 4 formulas. First, you can write in terms of cos and sin. What is that? Cos square a minus sin square a. Next formula is in terms of cos. 2 cos square a minus 1. Next formula is in terms of sin. 1 minus 2 sin square a. After that, you can write in terms of tan. In terms of tan is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square. This is a formula of cos 2a. These 4 formulas belongs to cos 2a. After that goes to tan 2a. Tan 2a having only one formula, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, only one formula, that is tan 2a. After that, cot 2a. Cot 2a having only one formula, that is cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. This is the formula of cot 2a. Next, sin 3a. What is the formula of sin 3a? This is a multiple angle of a. What is the multiple angles of a? A, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 10a, 100a. These are all the multiple angles. That's why sin 3a formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube. This is the formula of sin 3a. After that goes to cos 3a. Cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. What is the sin 3a formula? Sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Next, it goes to tan 3a formula. What is the formula of tan 3a? 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a whole by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is the formula for tan 3a. After that, cot 3a. What is the formula of cot 3a? Cot 3a formula is 3 cot a minus cot cube a. 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cos a. This is the formula of cot 3a. Which formula? Cot 3a formula. Here, some more formulas is there. 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos 2a, you can write 2 sin square a. This is very useful formula. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2a formula is what? 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. This is also very important. This is a multiple angles of a, 2a and 3a. Next, submultiple angles. What is the next one? Submultiple angles. Already completed multiple angles. Next, discuss submultiple angles. Submultiple angles, first formula sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. What is the formula of sin a? Sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Similarly, cos a formula is what? Cos a formula. Cos a formula is cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, or second formula in terms of cos is there. 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1 is there. After that 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2 also is there. In terms of tan, what is the formula? 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2 also is there. What is the formula of sin a? In terms of tan, 2 tan a by 2 by 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Similarly, you can write this one is a sine. Submultiplying this is a cos. After that it goes to tan. Tan a. Tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Similarly, cot a is equal to cot square a by 2 minus 1. Cot square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. 2 cot a by 2. Similarly, you can write sin a. Sin a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. This is also be very important formula, sin a. Similarly, sin a by 2 what is? Sin a by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 2. See students, here a is there, double 2a. Here a by 2 is there, twice. Nothing but a by 2 into 2 a. Similarly, cos a by 2 is what, sir? Cos a by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos a by 2. 1 plus cos a by 2. Similarly, cos a is what? Cos a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 2. 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Here plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2 value is cos a. Plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos a by 2 value is cos a by 2. Similarly, you can write tan a by 2. What is the formula of tan a by 2? Tan a by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Similarly, what is the value of tan a? What is the value of tan a? Tan a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. You know that students, tan nothing but sin by cos. You can write sin by cos. You get the tan easily. Next, cot a. What is the formula of cot a? Plus or minus square root of reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal nothing but 1 plus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a by 1 minus cos 2a. Similarly, cot a by 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. This is the value of cot a by 2. These formulas are very important, very useful in multiple and submultiple model problems solving. Especially these problems. These formulas are very useful. You can solve the submultiple and multiple problems model. These are the submultiple angles. Previous class explained multiple angles. These multiple angles are very useful to solve the exercise 60 problems. See students, these formulas read and write perfectly. You can easily understood exercise 60 problems. Some multiple angles formulas is there. What is that? Sin a formula is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 is there. Suppose in terms of a by 3, you can write sin a equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. This is the formula of sin a in terms of a by 3. Similarly, cos a is equal to 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. You know that cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. In terms of 3a, you can write a value is a by 3. You get the cos a value. Similarly, tan a. What is the formula of tan a? tan A equal to 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 whole by 1 minus 3 tan square 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. This is the value of tan A. Next goes to cot A. Cot A equal in terms of A by 3 cot A by 3 minus cot cube A by 3 by 1 minus 3 cot square A by 3. These formulas in terms of A by 3 submultiple angles. These formulas in terms of A by 2 submultiple angles. Okay students, these formulas are very useful. You can solve the exercise 60 problems. That's why these formulas you can read and write. You get easily understood